how much profit my businesses made in February of 2019. That is what we are going to be discussing here in today's video. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Financial Wolf channel. So as I already mentioned, today I'm going to be showing you guys how much profit all of my businesses made in February of 2019. So with that all being said, to start off today's video, I'm going to be breaking down my different income streams and showing you guys how much each of them made me in February of 2019. And then later in today's video, I'm going to be discussing the future of my income streams, meaning where I see them going. So with that all being said, we are going to be hopping on my computer and I'm going to be showing you guys all of the P&L statements for my different businesses, and I'm going to be showing you guys how much each of them made, and I'm going to also tell you guys the grand total for all of my 4 different businesses. Okay guys, so we're now on my computer and it is time for me to show you my income report for the month of February 2019. So to start off, the first business that I'm going to report my income on is Will's iPhone Buybacks, and as always, this is my most profitable company, and for this month it's actually my only profitable company. So this month I ended up selling about $6,639 worth of iPhones, and of course that's not profit. I ended up having a net income of about $1,600, and this month marked kind of a turning point in my iPhone business. I ended up doing a lot of PayPal deals. Actually, I ended up buying a lot of phones from people I worked with in the past, and I just paid them through PayPal and they shipped the phones to me. And this is a lot more passive way to buy phones, and it's something I'm still kind of testing. It does require that you have some connections, but I have made some connections over the months of doing phone flipping, and I'm actually doing some PayPal deals now where I don't have to physically go out and pick up phones. I'd say about 70% of my deals are with PayPal, and this is really great for this month. I didn't have to dedicate too much time to actually picking up phones, and that allowed me to make more videos for you guys. So this month I ended up selling about $6,000 worth of phones, and in net income I did about $1,600. The next business that I want to report income on is Will's iPhone Repair, and this is actually a business that was unprofitable for the month simply because I've been taking it slow and I haven't really been focusing on growing this business just because I've been kind of distracted with the businesses that I have a little bit more of a passion for. It turns out that iPhone Repair isn't really my favorite thing in the world, and the only reason that I'm hesitant about shutting down the business is because I spent a lot of money trying to get into this. And it ended up costing me about $24.97 to run this business this month. And the thing that I spent money on was an iPhone SE, which was iCloud locked to practice repair. And that cost me $24.97. I just ordered it from eBay. The next business that I want to report income on is the Financial Wolf YouTube. And I ended up having an unprofitable month with this business simply because I spent $125 trying to market the business, and I spent money marketing for the business for an Instagram influencer shout out, and it ended up not being the greatest thing for the channel. It didn't bring too much income, but it ended up making me unprofitable, $76.78. And if you're wondering how I make money from YouTube, those affiliate links in the description, that courses that I promote, that's typically how I make a lot of my money from YouTube. Not a lot, as you can see, it's only 25 bucks, but that's how I make money from YouTube. And then I also do paid coaching calls, which is $25 per hour, and I ended up doing one of those this month. So guys, all in all, this month I had a net income of $1,561.54, which is pretty good. It's a little less than I typically make in a month, at least comparing it to last month's numbers. I made a little bit more than that last month, if I can recall, but it's okay. I've really been focusing on YouTube lately, and it's something that I enjoy, and right now, money isn't really the biggest deal for me. Obviously, I love making money, but I like to do businesses that I really do enjoy, and for me, that is YouTube, and it's also my iPhone reselling business, which is actually pretty profitable. And if you guys are wondering, I did mention I have 4 streams of income because occasionally I do have dividends come in for a month because I own only one dividend paying stock, and it pays dividends every single 3 months. So FedEx, my dividend paying stock, is going to be paying a dividend on April 1st, if I can recall. So April 1st, I'll have dividend income, which isn't substantial, but I still include it as an income stream just because it makes me feel cool that I have 4 streams of income. But guys, yeah, that's about it. I have 4 streams of income, and this is my income for the month, $1,561.54. So now that you guys have seen how much all of my different businesses have made in the month of February of 2019, I want to go into where I see these different income streams going into the future and which income streams I may be adding to my income stream list and which income streams I may be removing from my list. So the first income stream I want to talk about is phone flipping, and phone flipping is pretty much going to stay the same for these next few months. I'm not really trying to focus on growing my phone flipping business right now, just because I really want to focus on my YouTube. I've been trying to crank out as much content as possible, and that has kind of affected the profitability of my phone flipping business. And I guess for the future, I want to keep my phone flipping business stagnant. I don't want to grow it, crazy amounts, just because I don't want to dedicate crazy amounts of time that I could be dedicating towards YouTube, because I really enjoy YouTube and I also see a future in it. So with phone flipping, I kind of see it stagnating over the next few months, and then towards summer when I have more time to flip phones, I can definitely see it doubling again. The next income stream that I want to talk about is YouTube, and this is an income stream that I'm really excited about, especially as I'm getting closer and closer to being monetized on YouTube, meaning I can put ads on my videos. I'm really close to that 1,000 subscribers, and I'm also getting closer and closer every single day to that 4,000 watch hour requirement. If you guys don't know, to put ads on your videos, you need at least 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and you also need 4,000 watch hours, and I'm getting pretty close to both of those requirements. So in the next couple of months here, I should be getting monetized, and that should drastically increase my YouTube income. I'm also going to continue to kind of push affiliate marketing with this YouTube business, just so I can kind of, get a return on the time I'm putting into YouTube. I would honestly be doing it either way if I didn't make money or if I did. It's just really cool that you can make money doing something that you really enjoy, and I think it's awesome that you can really monetize a YouTube channel. The next income stream that I'm not too excited about right now is cell phone repair. So as you guys know, I've recently got into the cell phone repair business, but it's been a really big hassle since I started, right? It's cost me a lot of money to get into the business, and I honestly don't enjoy cell phone repair as much as I thought I would. I haven't even repaired my first phone yet, just because I'm kind of slacking on the business. I've really been focusing on still making money from phone flipping, and I've also really been focusing on YouTube, and I haven't really had the time to get into cell phone repair. So I'm kind of putting the brakes on that going into these next couple of months, and I might be replacing my cell phone repair business with a vending machine business, which is a really passive income source. And I also want to make videos more on vending. So I might get a few machines and make a couple videos a month on vending machines instead of doing this whole cell phone repair thing. I mean, I can always get into it later down the road, but right now I just don't want to dedicate the time to it, because I think I could be investing my time into businesses that bring me more happiness and businesses I can make more money from. The fourth and final income stream slash business I want to talk about is stock market investing. And for right now, I'm not investing too much into my stock market portfolio every month. It's only about $100 to $200 a month. I could be investing more, but I think it would bring me a better return if I simply invest into more businesses like vending machine business, or back into my YouTube channel to improve my quality, etc., etc., etc. Right now, I'm not too focused on investing in the stock market. I still want to contribute some money to it because I want to learn about stocks for building long-term wealth. It's a great way to do that. But right now, I think I can get a better return on my money by investing into businesses. Okay guys, with that all being said, I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want me to make a series like this every single month, I will do that. All you have to do is let me know in the comment section down below if you want more videos like these, and I will be sure to make one every single month. I also want to apologize for the poor video quality today, but it's really dark outside. I want to film this video so I can upload it for you guys tomorrow, and I just wanted to film a video. I don't want to procrastinate on it. So I decided just to film where I can in my house because my sister's in the room that I typically film in. So guys, thank you so much if you made it to the end of today's video. Please be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed today's video, and also subscribe to the Financial Wolf channel to be in the first 1,000 subscribers. So before today's video ends, I do want to give a quick shout out to the person that helped me grow my YouTube channel by so much in the past month. So if you guys didn't notice, I grew my channel by almost 400 subscribers in the month of February 2019. And it's mostly thanks due to an individual known as Raise the Entrepreneur. He recently featured me on his channel, 24/7 Entrepreneurs, which is basically a channel that you can go on, show your side hustle, and you get your personal brand promoted from it. I posted a video on there showing my phone flipping business, and he linked my YouTube channel down below, and I got subscribers off of it. He's a great guy. He helps so many small YouTubers. So if you guys are interested in learning about other YouTubers' side hustles, or you want to be featured on the 24/7 Entrepreneurs channel, go check it out. It will be the first link down below. Now with that all being said, guys, enjoy your day, and thank you for watching to the end.